Hi everyone, I am Anand Bhatti, the founder and developer of FusionCam. As a professional 3D artist and motion designer, I have spent years of perfecting Blender's camera animations, and I know how frustrating manual camera animation can be. That's why I created FusionCam.
Introducing FusionCam, powered by Fusion Art Studios, the ultimate cinematic camera tool for Blender.
The ultimate solution for camera movements in Blender. If you are manually animating camera in Blender, you are definitely struggling with these problems. Manually setting keyframes for every shot. Difficult to maintain smoothness. Even for a small camera move, you have to adjust the keyframe for every single frame. Struggling to keep object in centered. Lack of cinematic feel and impossible to create handheld camera effect. A simple camera move takes too much time to adjust the keyframes, angles, and final render issues. Any small changes require readjusting the entire animations. But don't worry, because I'm gonna introduce you my first add-on, which is FusionCam.
Imagine flawless camera movements, cinematic depth, and Hollywood level precision, all at your fingertips. The ultimate cinematic camera tool for Blender. Tired of boring camera movements? Struggling to achieve professional cinematic shots? The ultimate add-on designed to make your camera work faster, smarter, and more professional.
This add-on can solve all these problems with just one click. You only need to do just click and all these problems gone.
With FusionCam PRO, you can create stunning camera animations in just a few clicks. Choose from a variety of free presets like in cinematic wide, tracking shot, and low angle to instantly elevate your animations. Unlock the Pro version to access advanced presets like Signature Spin, Velvet Flow, and Infinity Slide. Perfect for professional, product showcases, cinematic scenes, and high-end animations.
Let me show you how. Okay, the most important setup, rename the product. If rename it with P capital, then product. Before using FusionCam, you must ensure your product is correctly named. If the object name is incorrect, the camera won't function properly. Let me show you. If it's not a watch, if I apply the camera, you can't see any movement. It's just static. If I apply any other camera, it's static. Let me delete all the camera again and rename it product. Product, product. And now you will see the magic. If I apply a camera like cinematic wide, apply, see, it's working very perfectly. See, so do not forget to rename your product. There's no advanced property because there's no camera in the scene. Whenever you have the camera, see, you have all the advanced property here, you can see. And the second thing, you have to rename your product. This is the two most important steps. You can switch the camera. If I am in the viewport and if I press this button, which is switch camera, it will switch all the camera one by one. Okay, so now I have two camera, and let me show you magic at these two buttons. Let's say I have 0 camera and I need a perfect 3D animation of my product without adding camera manually one by one. Just click next. See, all the cameras added from aura glide to zoom in, and you can see we are here.
FusionCam PRO comes packed with cinematic camera presets designed to bring a professional touch to your animations. Choose from over 20 plus presets, already including orbit shot, dolly zoom, parallax shot, and hero shot.
Okay, this is the first camera. Let me switch. Second one, third one, and this is camera. It's not issue. This camera allow you to adjust the angle. Let me show you. See, this is the camera start, and I only need to adjust the camera angle. See, doesn't matter which angle I'm trying to use. It's working very perfectly. See, if I move here, the best thing of this plugin is you do not need to animate the camera one by one. You only need to decide the angle. Just decide the angle. Yeah, so now I have more than maybe 10 or 12 cameras. Let's switch to another one, zoom in, adjust the camera angle. If you don't like any preset, you can adjust the angle, that's all. No need to do work on keyframes, just adjust the angle. And here cinematic camera, these presets are not animated. Let me show you. If I delete all the camera here, and I'm gonna add static shot, add camera, see, it's not animated, it's just static. Why? Because these camera designs for product shot. I mean, if you want to shoot a product images, not video, you can just shoot with this presets, but each camera come with different settings. If I let me show you here, you can see focal length 50 mm, and if I add another camera which is macro shot, you can see also. Let me hide the product. See, this is macro shot with 85 mm focal length, and if I add any other camera fisheye, see, this is also comes with 28 mm focal length. So every camera comes with different settings, so you can just shoot the product like only pictures, not animation, but you can do also animation. Let me tell you how. And let me delete these camera and unhide the product and adjust it. So this is fisheye camera, and if I add any other like macro shot, see, let me enable DOF, show limits. This is the limits. Let me adjust it. You don't need to come in each camera setting here and adjust the things. No need to do that thing, just you have every setting here.
Real-time preview and customization. With real-time preview, what you see is what you get. Adjust your focal length, depth of field, and motion easing, all without rendering.
Let's add another camera, wide angle here. Just add it, and now I only need to click here, bind cinematic camera, no target object selected. Yeah, you need to select the target object, which is product, done. And now the camera is facing product. Let me show you. See, and now you can just move the product and the camera will track. See, and you can do it with any camera, not only one, any camera. Let's see, dolly shot, and select the product and bind cinematic camera, done. See.
Camera binding and tracking. Tracking moving objects? Just bind your camera and FusionCam PRO will lock onto the subject. Perfect for smooth tracking shots.
Okay, so the second thing, bind camera to marker. If you have more than 10 cameras, see here, and you don't need to go to the camera and then click Control B, just forget about it. Just click here, switch camera, and you want to bind it, just select the timeline and click bind camera to marker. See, it's bind. Then select the camera again, this one, bind. See, so yeah, I think everything's clear about the cinematic cameras here. Yeah, the most important thing I forgot to explain at the beginning, and if I have duration set to 1 to 100, I can also increase it from here, not here, from here. And if I set it to 100, every presets come with 0 to 100, and if I set it 1 to, let's say, 300, then every presets come with, see, 1 to 300. It means you can just slow and fast the camera by just selecting the duration over here, that's all. And if you want to reset the timeline, just click here, set timeline to 100. Timeline will be set to 100. Yeah, see, it's come with 100. You can also preview camera here, see. Yeah, and now you can see the you can't see the product because its camera angle is so bad. And
AI powered smart camera. Not sure which angle to use? Let FusionCam PRO's AI powered smart camera instantly suggest the perfect shot based on your scene composition.
I don't know which angle suits perfect for my product, and I want to use AI to just suggest the camera angle. AI powered camera, just click here, it will automatically adjust the camera angle for you. And here you can just take the settings, focal length, clips, DOF, and all other settings. It's up to you. Yeah, And one more thing, if I have this camera, now let's talk about the camera tools, lock camera and shading. Let's say I like this angle, and I want to lock the camera at the same place here, and also I want to turn on the shading mode. Just click here, lock camera and shading. See, camera locked in the same place and shading mode is on. It's a magic. Now let me add cinematic wide, and I'm gonna use a powered camera. And now I want something shaky. I want to add shake. Just click over here, add camera shake. I want shake effect from 20 to 60, let's say 20. Just click here, and now you'll see it's shaking.
Want to add more life to your shots? Use cinematic camera shake for a natural handheld look, or apply smooth speed ramping for breathtaking slow motion and fast motion effects. Plus, adjust dynamic depth of field in real time for cinematic depth and focus shifts.
Yeah, and if you forget the place of camera, just click here, fit camera to frame. See, it will automatically adjust the camera to the frame. I mean, it will automatically adjust the camera if I move the camera, because now it's tracking the product. Just click here, fit camera to the frame. See, it's a magic. And now let's talk about the next step, which is easing.
Easing effects and offset keyframes. Take full control of your animations within custom easing effects, from a smoothen outs to cinematic motion curves. Key.
For example, I have this camera. Let me delete it and add gravity shift, this one. Let me ask AI to adjust the camera angle. Yeah, this one looks so good. And now I want to adjust the graph. Here you can see the graph, and no need to adjust the graph manually. Forget about it. I have the presets for you. Just select any of presets like ease in, ease out, linear, bezier, bounce, elastic, whatever you want. Just select, and you can just select the intensity. Let me adjust it to 5. Yeah, and you can see the effects here. Apply. Have you noticed it? It's applied. Ease out. And if I want linear, just click. It's converted to linear. And if I want bounce, just select, adjust the intensity, apply. See the bounce. Let me show you. See. And now if I want elastic, just select and apply. See, it's a magic. So yeah, no need to adjust the graph manually. We have the presets. I will do it for you. Do not forget to adjust the feature. Just click here, contact support, and you will direct to our inquiry form. Then click here, plugins, and when you click on the plugin, you will get the page of this FusionCam where you can get the guides how to use. And when you scroll down, here you have the page where you can request the feature. If you want to add any kind of feature, just tell me. I'll add that in future updates. But all the buyers will get the free updates. No need to purchase it again and again. You only need to purchase it once, and you will get the update for lifetime for free. There's no extra charges for any major updates. Manual camera animation, slow, complicated, frustrating. FusionCam animations, fast, smooth and professional. If you want effortless cinematic camera animations in Blender, download the FusionCam now. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe our channel to get more updates about our upcoming add-ons.
FusionCam Pro gives you all the tools to create next-level visuals effortlessly. Need help? Our guest support team here is ready to assist you. Ready to take your Blender cinematography to the next level? Get it now. Link in bio. Do not forget to subscribe for new upcoming Blender add-ons.